Hello, and we're back in the garage. So I'm recording this on the phone because obviously I've now got both cameras here, the new one and the Osmo Action 5 Pro. We've also got the two DJI mic minis, and as promised, after the review and the unboxing of the 360, we're now going to see if we can connect these to the cameras, whether it'll connect to both, one or not. We will see. But before that, let's roll the intro. Okay, so we switch both of these on, 360 and the 5, so the 360 and the 5, and then we're going to get mic mini out. We can see the mic mini is flashing, which means it's trying to connect. And if we maybe start by trying to connect with pressing the pair button and see if this will connect to both. They're both sat there at the moment doing nothing, so that doesn't look as if it's going to work. So we're going to switch that one off. Hopefully you can see that blinking. That's gone off. And then I know if we go into this, settings, mic. So press that, we've got both of those on. If I go here, press that, now we've got both of those on at the same time. So we'll switch it back on and see what happens. So that's it on. It's not looking good. So we'll press the pair button, and that's the blue and green flashing. So that's still not doing anything of interest. So maybe if we press TX, confirmed pair. So confirm that, and that is now working. So let's do the same here and see what if we get anything. Now it looks like it's okay, so that's on the 1. Let's do this one on the 2. See if it does anything at all. We'll just put that under there so we know that's connected to that. Power on. I don't think we can do it twice, but we can give it a go. So flashing, disconnected. Connected. So one or the other. Okay, so now we'll get this and we'll put this on that side, and because we've got the set, we'll pull the second one out. So we've still got one connected to that. We have nothing connected to this. So let's retry this. Connected, confirm. Okay, so we can say for certain that we can connect one to each, which means that I would have to have two mics in one crash helmet. This is a lot of messing, I know, but it has to be done if we're going to use one mic, two cameras. And if we can't do this, DJI, you need to be able to do it that we don't have to sync these anywhere, pre-post, post-post, or any post, just on here, like I'm doing now. Has anybody else had this problem? Does anybody else know if there's a workaround? Because I'm sure with all this technology, there's no way that DJI would have it that you can't put audio through both. I'm sure of it. So that's it. It's a pity. I don't think it should be that way, and hopefully now DJI, get your finger out, do an update, and give us 1 mic to 2 cameras. So the next bit of footage is what you've been waiting for. This is out on the road with the 360 camera and the mic mini. So let's just see, will it work? We're getting footage from the 360 camera onto the mic mini inside the helmet, and we're also recording on the 5. Okay, let's go. So we now have same setup, exactly the same, apart from the camera is now behind me. We're still on 4K, hopefully 4K at 100 frames per second. And with any luck, we are still getting good audio. And maybe audio that we can use if we're just using the 360, but I'm kind of thinking that if we have the 5, if we have the 5 at the same time, we might get our audio through the 5 and then just have the 360 as video and put the audio from the 5 over the top. So, in conclusion to this video, which is obviously very short, we've not spent enough time with this thing. Is it worth using on the bike? Is it worth pairing it with the DJI mic mini? I would say so. I would say so. For the first 5-minute ride, it seems okay. And there's no doubt in the very near future, you're going to see this and me out in Ireland. All right. Speak to you soon. Look after yourself. Bye.